Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can make a Coinbase account. So I have a link in the description box where you can just tap on it and then it will redirect you to this page right here. Now, so once you're here, you just have to tap on the sign up button at the top right corner. So once you tap on that one, it will redirect you to this page right here. So there's a three option. You can put your email, you can sign up with Google, or you can sign up with Apple. So you just have to put here your email. Then once you're done inputting your email, just go ahead and tap on continue. After that, it will ask for a 6-digit code emailed to you, or it will also ask you to verify your phone number if you used your Apple account by signing up. So since I used mine, you have to put your phone number here, and then now after you do that, it will ask you to solve a puzzle. So there's a bunch of puzzle right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and move forward. So once you're done with that, now you just have to put here the 6-digit code from your phone number, so it will be sent to you via message. So after that, you have here the complete account setup. So in here, you just have to tap on this checkbox and then tap on submit. And then from here, just have to go ahead and tap on yes. And you have to select your citizenship. And then here are your personal details. So you can put here your name, and then tap on continue. So here you have to tell them about yourself. So what are your Coinbase account for? Stuff like that. So you just have to put there your personal details and then continue. And then here is to verify your info. So they will ask you a bunch of questions about yourself. So you just have to go ahead and answer those. So in here, you have to select your ID type. So since they only have a passport, you're going to have to tap on it. And then you have to click on this one. And then here is where you can upload your image. So you just have to be in a well-lit room before you take pictures of your passport. And then they might also scan your face. So you have to be in a well-lit room. And then after that, your account will be submitted and you just have to wait for the approval or the verification process. So that's pretty much it. Don't forget to click the link down below so you can just sign up from there and create your account. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!